for the exam, well, maybe they are tools that you cannot use during the exam, you know. But for example, kubectx, because you are changing context, context are different clusters, you know. So you are changing context almost constantly while you are working with different Kubernetes clusters. So I would say kubectx in order to change the context quickly, from jumping from one cluster to another. kubens, which is basically the same but for namespaces. Maybe for people that it's starting, I would recommend Kind9s. Also, it's another interesting tool for people that maybe need a graphical boost, you know. Maybe they feel comfortable with the graphical interface, more or less, because it's in the terminal, but it's it has some graphics, and maybe it's easier to start with this.
All right. Carlos,
also,
anything that or sorry, Eneko, keep going.
No, as I mentioned before, having a proper configuration for Vim editor, and also some aliases on Bash or another shell that you like.
All right, very, very good. Carlos, anything that you would add regarding tools?
Yes, well, it's really important to work with aliases, so you save time executing commands. So one thing that helped me a lot was to, on the exam, you have a notepad. So the first thing I did when I started the exam was to put all the aliases that were going to be used during the exam, and also some special configuration, for example, for Vim. So it's really important to get a lot of practice with Vim or Nano or V, whatever practice a lot with the tool that you are comfortable with. In this case, for me, was Vim. And also, there is a really nice page on the documentation that is the commands cheat sheet that you can. You see there how to configure the terminal to get auto-completion of the commands, and also you have different examples on, for example, how to change namespace context or those kind of things that are pretty big commands. So instead of learning it by heart, you can use the command cheat sheet to use it. Yeah.